How to make photo video with music in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the plus icon, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on reel section over here. After tapping on reel, you just have to select on the gallery option over here. Tap on that and select the pictures that you want to make the video of. So let's just select. Now in order to select, just make a long press and you'll be able to select different pictures all together. Then tap on next. Now after tapping on next, what you need to do is you can see the audio as well. You just have to select the audio. Now the Instagram will give you the suggested audio. You can select any of these audio options. You can also search from here over search option. After doing that, you can tap on next and the video will be start processing. Then tap on next. And here you have been able to successfully create a photo video with music in Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.